come out. You have locked yourself in the caves of no mercy. You have chosen limitation as a friend. Limitation is not a crony but rather a foe. That which is crushing your dreams. Look at your heart. Listen to your heart. Look at your hands and see the cuts on them. These hands have made million.
Mr. Poke, I'm a poet. My birth names are Ponatshegelo, Katlholo, and my stage name is Mr. Poke. I do poetry, Setswana, traditional, contemporary, and English.
Ba kana di itse go sa ibile ga di ke di thabiwa ke di thomfana go e gorogile ba ji ba ja mahureng ba moni ba mona phefo ja ka ngwana a neile tame sana mashi morobala boroko.
I'm inspired by life and what I experience in life, what my people go through, what my people have gone through even in the past, like even the history. And even other scenarios that we come across in life, in family settings, spirituality, and other issues. That's what inspires me.
Black power arise. Black power arise. Black.
I'm working on a manuscript titled "The Maze," which is an anthology of poetry. It has close to 100 poems. So that's what I'm working on, which I believe very soon it will be out for the consumption of my people. When I was still a little boy back at school, I loved writing. So even when I was given a composition to write, I will, fill a lot of pages and submit to the teacher. So that's one thing that, I used to do. So the love for writing came from there as I grew. I never stopped writing, even from primary I wasn't doing poetry. But when I got to junior secondary school, I was doing poetry, I was writing. I got exposed to the literature of other performers, like the seniors who were ahead of me, the likes of Muliki Mokoya and another guy called KB. And the other inspiration from my great father, I am Mzwakimbule. So that has been the love, and I saw it as a way of expressing myself, even in hard times. I saw it as a thing to go through, and for healing. All the time it has been such a tool for me. I believe one word that I love using is the word of passion. Because when you have passion, everything that comes after that, it will just follow passion. Even if it means living from poetry, first you should be having passion. I have long wanted to publish my book in 2009, but it was hard. I wasn't working. I dropped out from school. Then I came back. I joined Poetavango. I kept on growing, but I did not forget the bigger picture. One of the things that I love so much outside poetry is seeing people grow. Which is its other portion of me, being a motivational speaker. I love seeing people grow. I love seeing people express themselves, even beyond where they are, even beyond work, beyond employment. I love seeing people explore themselves, find new ways, express themselves, and be who they are and who they want to be.
That which is crushing your dreams. Look at your heart. Listen to your heart. Look at your hands and see the cuts on them. These hands have made million elegant things. A chick will not allow to fly until it exists the shell. Come out, child. Come out, child. Come out. We stop dreaming and we suppress our dreams, and we give reasons. Reasons are wizards to our dreams and destinations. Reasons are the greatest lies because they can be cooked. You always shut out your inner voice, but that is a real friend, affable to eternity as the beehive is eternal to the bees. We commit suicide by doing what the masses long and beg of us to do. We abandon ourselves to entertain.